Did you know that the pH level of your food can determine its safety and taste? It's not just about flavor. It's about preventing spoilage and ensuring a longer shelf life. Controlling pH is crucial in stopping harmful microbes from thriving. This simple measure can make the difference between a safe meal and a health hazard. A pH meter is more than just a gadget. It consists of a sensitive electrode and a digital display, working together to measure acidity or alkalinity in food samples. Calibration is key. By using standard buffer solutions, the pH meter ensures accurate readings. Temperature compensation further refines these results, making them reliable. From dairy to beverages, pH meters are indispensable. They ensure the right acidity in yogurt, the perfect taste in juices, and safety in canned foods. In fermentation and confectionery, pH control is vital. It affects gel formation in candies and the fermentation process in products like kimchi and vinegar. Accurate pH measurement is your ally against spoilage. It extends shelf life and supports research and development, reducing waste and enhancing product quality. Regular calibration ensures reliable results. By mastering pH control, you not only protect your brand, but also deliver consistent, high-quality products to consumers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.